Now moving forward, let's print a statement C out. You can see my compiler is giving me an error. And if we see this, it is saying the identifier C out is undefined. By this, the compiler is saying that he's not able to understand which C out you are talking about. For that, what we can do, we can simply say the compiler, hey, this C out which we are using is standard C out. And now the compiler will stop crying and will let us use this. If we see here, this main is a function in C++, and every function have a return type. In this main function, it is having a return type as int. So since we have made the return type as int, we have to return 0 from it, and it is show to the compiler that it is returning the a particular integer and it is not gonna give any error. Apart from this, we can also use void here. In that case, what we will do, simply return, and this will also work. Either we can do this. For doing this, what we are supposed to do, we simply, whenever now we are gonna like have a print statement or cin statement or a cout statement, we simply have to use the standard and the scope resolution symbol in front of that to make our cout function work. But this is gonna be very hectic whenever we are gonna use any standard statement. So what we do, instead of using the scope resolution or of the standard function, we simply declare it before using it. How we will declare it? We say compiler, hey, we are using namespace as standard. Now, since we have declared it, it will not give any error to this cout statement, because now the compiler knows whatever the function or the built-in function which we are going to use is from the standard class. Now this is going to work. So basically, the namespace which we use is to declare a particular function within a scope. For those who were new to the compiler or IDE, let me tell you like how you can compile this particular code. Let me just clear the screen. Let's move to the directory of day 0. Type g++ hello, that is the name of our program file, and write hello.cpp. That's it, and it's gonna get compiled. Before, you saw that I made a single folder name as day 0 and I made a single file in it that is named as hello.cpp. But now you can see there is another file a.exe that is a executable file of this particular cpp file. Now if I simply write a here and press enter, it will execute our code inside the IDE or the program. For those who installed the VS Code for the first time, I just forget to mention that when you install it and open it, you simply go there, extensions, search C++ here. You will receive a lot of these things. Simply click on the first one. This is like extension for C++ that is widely used. Simply install it, and after installing it, you will be able to get a very good representation of your C++ code with the different colors and all that stuff.